Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how to allow others to share your post. Before proceeding with today's video, please remember to like, share and comment below and hit the subscribe button to stay connected with us. Also hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Now without any further delay, let's start with our today's video. To allow others to share your content that you make on your Facebook, you need to log into your Facebook from any browser. As you can see, I have uploaded a picture and the privacy is friends. Now click on the three dot icon which is over here, and then you have two options. You can change the audience via edit post or edit audience. You may not get edit audience if your Facebook is not updated. I'll show you how to change the audience from both the options, edit post and edit audience. First, we will check how to change the audience via edit post. Go to edit post over here. You can see it says friends, which means only your friends can see this picture and share. Now you can choose it to public. Alright, so you can see Facebook is telling me that since my profile is locked, I cannot share it to public. The only way to let others share my post or to make my picture public is to unlock my profile. I'll be unlocking my profile. My profile is now unlocked and I can now change the privacy to public. And now my picture will be public and anyone on or off Facebook can now view my picture and also share them. I will now show you how to change the audience directly going to edit audience. When you go to edit audience, instead of taking you to the entire edit menu, it directly takes you to the audience, and over here you can select whether you want your friends or public, or would you like to have some customized list. Now public is already chosen. Now people will be able to share your post. Now you may want to know how to allow people to share your post on Facebook on a mobile device. For that, find the post that you want to make shareable. This is a post, and then tap on the three dots in the upper right corner, which is over here. In your phone, you may get it as edit post or edit privacy. In the privacy menu, tap the checkbox next to public, then tap done, and via your phone, that's how you will be able to allow others to share your post. I hope my video was informative. Please let us know if you have any suggestions for our new video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel to learn more. Also hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.